So we are restoring a 1990 Jetstar 1250 jet boat. It's got a 65 horsepower motor on it. We're going to be redoing everything on it. You see it's going to get wrapped. The trailer is going to be all done. Do a wheel stand, chains, all that. It's actually getting new props for where it sits on. It's getting that done. But it's going to get wrapped something. And it's getting new floorboards. You see that happening right now. He's got all the plywood now. It wasn't real rotted bad. And I guess he's cleaned the steering wheel up. There's the instrument panel. He's fixed the seat already. So it's a two-seater right now, but it also has an option to where he can put it three-seater. So and he also got the propeller, the prop, whatever you want to call it, done. I guess he just got it sitting up in there for right now. So it's gonna get wrapped, floorboards done, LED lighting, basically everything you can think of probably on it. So and the trailer's gonna be all redone nice. Right now they're testing everything out because they just got it. So maybe it's going to get new speakers. Haven't a clue on that yet. By the way, here's the motor. Let's see if I can pull the motor up. Show them. See, it's somewhat in there, but there you go. But yeah, that's going to be on. I would show you more, but it's not sitting on the trailer right now. But we'll be posting updates on it, with what we got done to it, and then we're going to be reviewing it whenever it's done and all that. See, he's got the new tires in there. But if you like fishing, restoring boats and trucks and all, and subscribe to the channel.